you're looking at here is the headwaters of a wetland. This is upwelling of water. I'm here with John Dumont of McLeod Lake Indian Band. My name's Neil Fletcher and with BC Wildlife Federation. We're here today to look at this important wetland that is feeding into McIntyre Lake. This wetland has been transected by a road downstream and is starting to erode. By the end of this year, we're hoping to improve the health of this wetland and keep this important wetland safe from further degradation. And John here is going to demonstrate how deep this upwelling pool of water is. John, what do you say?
Well, I'm 5'10", and this is close as right up to here, so 8 feet.
8 feet.
No, just 5 feet, about 5 feet deep where the hole goes in.